Okay, we are dealing with a pentagon. That means n equals 5 in terms of the number of sides. And we are given these expressions for the angles. These are interior angles. So that tells us that the total can be found using the formula n minus 2 times 180, which in this case is going to be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is going to turn out to be 540 degrees. Okay, so that's the total degrees of this pentagon. Well, if that's the total degrees, and these are the 5 angles, then these 5 angles should add up to 540 degrees. In other words, 139 plus 9x plus 71 plus 92 plus 5x should equal 540. Okay, now it's time for like terms. Okay, so for example, 9x and 5x go together and make 14x. Okay, and then on the other hand, let's see, I'll use purple. 139 and 71 and 92 go together to make 302. Okay, and all that should equal the total of 540. Whoops, should be a 0 in there. I mean a 4. 540. So then we need to subtract 302 from both sides. Okay. So we need to go minus 302 minus 302. Alright, that's going to give us 14x equals 238. And then we just divide by 14. And that is 17. Okay, that's how you do number 9. Now number 10, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is this. How many sides does it have? Okay, so the setup is this. We're given the sum. The formula for the sum is n minus 2 times 180. So let's start off with that. Okay, so n minus 2 times 180. That's the expression for the sum of all the interior angles. But we're told what the sum is 3,960. So 3,960. Okay, so n minus 2 times 180 should equal 3,960. This is the expression for the total degrees, and this is the total degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Well, that's just n. So all we really have to do is solve this equation for n. Now I could do the distributive property right now, and that would be fine. Or I could divide by 180 right now, and that would also be fine. I think most kids will do the distributive property, so I better do it that way so nobody gets confused. So that would be 180n minus 360 equals 3,960. Alright, if I go ahead and add 360 to both sides, okay, that's going to give me 180n equals 3,600. So then all I have to do is divide both sides by 180n. I mean 180. And that is going to give me n equals 60. I mean 20. N equals 20. That's what I meant. Okay. So how many sides does the polygon have? It has 20 sides. That's how you do number 10.